Let me ask you something. Have you ever had a moment where you looked around and thought, is this it? Is this all life is going to be for me? If you have, good, that moment, that question, it's not weakness, it's not doubt. It's a spark, a sign that deep down, your soul knows something, your situation forgot why. You were built for more. Not more stuff, not more likes, more purpose, more progress, more becoming. But here's the truth most people avoid. More doesn't come easy. More comes after struggle, after failure, after people stop clapping, after comfort is gone, and all you've got left is heart. And that's when it really starts. Because that is the moment you stop being a watcher of life and start becoming a builder of it. You see, most people are waiting for clarity, waiting for the perfect time, waiting until they're ready. But let me be real with you. The perfect time never comes. The most successful people, they didn't start when they were confident. They started when they were committed. And here's the key: confidence is not a requirement. It's a result. You build it by doing one small step, one uncomfortable decision, one early morning, one tough conversation, one brave moment. Repeat it again and again until you've got momentum. You're not stuck, you're just scared. You're not behind. You're just comparing your day 1 to someone else's year 10. You're not broken. You're building. Let me tell you something else. That dream that won't let go of you, that's not an accident. That hunger you feel, even when life pushes you down, that's your signal. That's your proof that there's more in you than what your current reality reflects. And I know it's hard. It's hard when people doubt you. It's hard when nothing's working and the results are invisible. It's hard when the world claps louder for your failure than your effort. But let me tell you what's harder: living every day knowing you could have but didn't, should have but didn't, were made for more but settled for less. So here's your decision. Do you keep waiting for permission to become who you already are? Or do you get up and take back your story? Because the truth is, nobody's coming to save you, but you can save yourself. You can become the version of you that you admire in others. Not overnight, but over time, with grit, with grace, with growth. So let this be the moment you stop shrinking. Stop apologizing for wanting more. Stop playing small because it's safer. You were not born to be average. You were born to stand up, stand out, and stand strong. You were made to create,
to impact,
lead, to rise. So take the risk, write the book, start the business, make the call, forgive the past, reclaim your life. You were built for more. And the world is waiting for the real you to show up.